So I wanted to find out what would happen if I picked up the DJI Pocket 4P and used it almost as if it was a stills camera, making every shot intentional, capturing moments, being in the moment, as opposed to capturing fast-paced clips. I wanted to see if there was space for a camera like this to be used more like a cinematography camera or something you would use to film a mini documentary. And the idea of just making every frame count. So I picked up a variable ND filter and I went out on the town and I just captured moments. I've been testing out this camera for about an hour now, so I have a couple interesting things to say about this camera, but I will wait for my full review next week. This week I just wanted to spend a lot more time with this camera just to see how everything works with this camera and just give it a nice fighting chance. We'll see how it's gonna work out. So did a little bit of testing with the Pocket 4P out here in downtown Halford, grabbing a couple clips here, and so far I'm impressed. But you guys let me know in the comments what you think about how the footage turned out. And yeah, the full review is going to be coming next week, so stay locked. Catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.